and welcome to Code and Seek. I am Abhiith and I am thrilled to have you here. Today we have the very first video of our new series Code Mastery, The Journey Begins Here. The series is designed to help beginners kickstart their coding journey with the right mindset, tools and strategies. Whether you're aiming to become a full stack developer or just looking to dip your toes into coding, the series will guide you every step of the way. Before we dive into today's topic, I would like to share a resource that has been a game changer for me. CCBP Academy by NextWave. It's an optional premium resource which offers a structured curriculum, hands-on projects and mentorship by industry experts. It's a fantastic way to fast-track your learning and get some real-world experience. But don't worry if you are not ready for that kind of commitment yet. I'll be sharing a lot of free resources in the upcoming videos. Alright, let's get into today's topic, time management. One of the biggest challenges new coders face is managing their time effectively. Today, I'll be sharing 3 key techniques which will help you manage your time more effectively and stay on track. These tips are inspired from the podcast I heard from NextWave's CCBP Academy. First up is time blocking. This technique involves allocating a specific time for a task and blocking out everything else during that period. Let's break it down further. Imagine you're dedicating 2 hours every evening from 7 pm to 9 pm to study coding. During this time, you're entirely focused. No phones, no distractions, just pure coding. The key here is consistency. By creating a routine, you are training your brain to be productive at those specific hours. For example, when I was learning Python, I used to dedicate an hour each day. Eventually, this became a habit. Everyone around me knew that the time was reserved for Python and no one bothered me, not my friends nor my family. This method not only increases your productivity but also reduces decision fatigue because you know when to do and what. Next is time equality. Everybody has the same 24 hours in a day. What matters is how you use them. The concept is all about realizing that time is your most valuable asset. For instance, think about how you can utilize the time you spend commuting or traveling. Instead of just passing time, you can use it to listen to the theory part of our videos. Thus you are turning what could be wasted time into productive learning time. The idea is to take control of your time and use it to your advantage no matter where you are. Finally, let's talk about prioritizing. The method is about doing things you prioritize early in the day before all the minor tasks. By accomplishing your top priority first, you set a positive tone for the day. For instance, if your goal is to become a full stack developer, you may choose to start your day with an hour of coding practice. By tackling this key task early, you will feel a sense of accomplishment which will propel you throughout the day and help you keep up with your studies. Prioritizing also ensures that the most important goals in your life get the attention they deserve and help you stay focused and on track. So as for a bonus tip, you can also list out the 3 most important goals of your life so you know what to prioritize throughout the day. In addition to these 3 techniques, there are a lot of other common techniques which you can use to manage your time more effectively. The Pomodoro technique, for instance, involves working in short bursts with regular breaks. This helps you boost your productivity. Daily planning is also a useful tool. Outlining what you need to achieve each day can help you stay focused and organized. And don't forget the importance of taking breaks. Stepping away from your work for a short while can help you be more productive when you return. However, I am not going to bother you with the details of these techniques as I am sure most of you are aware of these. And the first 3 techniques are more than enough to keep you motivated. But if you're curious on where to find them, I am sure you will find a lot of videos on these techniques all over YouTube which you are free to explore. So hit that subscribe button and join me every week as we code, seek and explore new horizons in tech. Let's build something amazing together.